So this is Thursday's exit ticket question number 4. This one tricked a lot of you. And it's because they were adding in extraneous, extra information that you didn't need, okay? So just because there are numbers in a problem, the people who write these problems, and in real life, there are numbers out there you don't actually need to solve anything, right? There's lots of numbers in the world that I do not ever think about. So here is the question that you guys had. Zeke is a shipping clerk for a large business. Today, he spent 90 minutes preparing boxes for shipping. One box weighed 10 pounds, and 7 boxes weighed 3.5 pounds. What's the total weight of the boxes? Do we need to know how long he spent preparing those boxes for shipping? If all we're looking for is the weight? No. So a lot of you use this 90 minutes somewhere in your equation, and that is just extraneous, extra, tricksy information you do not need, all right? We're looking for the weight, not how much time it took, all right? So the weight of one box is 10 pounds. So we have one weighed 10 pounds, all right? So remember, you can do 10 times 1, right? But you don't actually need all that because 1 times anything is itself. So 10 is our first box. Our second box, or 7 boxes, so it's and, which means plus, okay? So 1 box weighed 10 pounds. The other 7 boxes each weighed 3.5 pounds. So it's 7 times 3.5, okay? That's in parentheses because you don't want to accidentally add 10 to 7 because these are different weights. These are 7 boxes that are 3.5 pounds and 1 box that's 10 pounds, okay? So you don't want to add these numbers before you do the multiplying. There's 2 ways to do the multiplication. I sometimes just change this into a decimal, like 3.5 times 7, or you can transform this into a, let's see, 2 times 3 plus 1 is 7 over 2, right? So that now you have 7 times 7 over 2, and that is 7 times 7 is 49, and it's 1, right? 1 times 2 is 2, and 2 goes into 49, 24.5, okay? All right, so these are all pluses, 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 and the 10 is here for each of these. All right, and now 10 plus 24 equals 34.5. That's supposed to be a 5. All right, and so our final answer is the weight is 34.5, and what's our units is pounds, okay? 34.5 pounds. That's a terrible 5. So sorry.